Have you ever walked into a store for one thing and walked out with 5 things you did not plan to buy? You are not forgetful, you are not bad at shopping, you were marketed to, and you never even noticed. In the next 2 minutes, you are going to understand exactly how brands quietly guide your brain into buying things without you realizing it. This is called behavioral triggers in marketing. And once you see it, you cannot unsee it. Step 1. Understand that your brain takes shortcuts. Every single day, your brain makes thousands of tiny decisions. And because that is exhausting, your brain looks for shortcuts to save energy. Marketers know this. So instead of convincing your logical brain, smart brands talk directly to your emotional, shortcut-loving brain. Here is the key insight. Most purchases are emotional first, logical second. You feel the urge to buy, then your brain invents a reason why it makes sense. Step 2. Learn the 3 most powerful triggers brands use on you every day. Trigger 1 is scarcity. Imagine you are browsing shoes online, totally relaxed, no rush. Then you see it. Only 2 pairs left in your size. Suddenly you need those shoes immediately. Nothing about the shoes changed, but your brain heard limited supply and panic bought on your behalf. Thanks, brain. Trigger 2 is social proof. You are picking a restaurant. One has no reviews, the other has 400 5-star reviews and a line out the door. You pick the busy one, right? That is social proof. Your brain thinks if everyone else likes it, it must be good. Brands use this with reviews, testimonials, and those little badges that say over 1 million customers served. Trigger 3 is anchoring. A jacket is listed at $300. Then you see it on sale for $120. Feels like a steal, right? But here is the thing. You were never going to pay $300. The brand showed you that high number first, just so the sale price would feel amazing. That first number is the anchor, and your brain grabs onto it like a life raft. Step 3. Recognize the aha moment. Here it is. You did not buy that jacket because you needed it. You bought it because a number made your brain feel clever for saving money. You did not grab those shoes because they were perfect. You grabbed them because scarcity made waiting feel risky. Brands are not tricking bad people. They are simply speaking the language your brain already understands. And here is the beautiful part. If you are a business owner, you can use these exact same triggers ethically to help customers say yes to things that genuinely help them. Scarcity works when your offer really is limited. Social proof works when your customers really do love you. Anchoring works when your value really is exceptional. The key takeaway today is this. People buy on emotion and justify with logic. So great marketing speaks to feelings first and facts second. Like the video and subscribe to Easy Marketing School for more free marketing lessons. Next time, we are asking a question that will change how you think about your entire brand. What does your business actually make people feel?